Hey folks, in this video I will guide you through how to pull Windows operating system in a previously created virtual machine in VirtualBox. So first of all, open the VirtualBox. So if you don't know how to create virtual machine in a VirtualBox, check out the video in the description. In previous video I have created this virtual machine. So now I'm going to start it. And after you start it, it will ask you to add the DVD for install the Windows. This means like you can add Windows ISO for as a DVD. So I will select other, and this is my Windows ISO. You can use any operating system you want depending on the virtual machine version you created. So previously I have created Windows virtual machine. So I add the Windows ISO and click mount and retry boot. So now you can see it start in the Windows installation page. So here you have to select the language to install. I keep the default option and click next and click install now. So here it asks the product tree. So for now I click I don't have a product, but if you have any product key, feel free to add it here. And I select Windows 10 Pro version. You can select any whatever version you want and accept the license agreement and click next and click custom. And here you have to create a new disk using this unallocated space. Click new and click apply. Also, if you want, you can divide disk to separate partitions as well. For now I stick to only one partition. So I have created the disk to install the Windows and click on this primary partition and click next. Now you can see it's installed in the Windows. So now you can see Windows is installed and it automatically restarted, and it's currently setting up the user for first time. Looks like it's almost finishing the setting up. So now you have to set up the Windows like when you are installing it on your machine for the first time. So here it asks for the region. So select whatever the region you want to set. So I stick with the US, and I select default one and skip this step. So here it asks how do you like to set up for personal use organization. So I select this option, but if you want you can select this option as well and click next. If you want you can go ahead and add your account here, but I just stick with offline account, and I don't want to sign up for these things now, so I select limited access. So here it asks you to add a name for the user who is going to use this machine. So I add some random name and click next, and now it asks you to add a password. So I add some random password. So here it will ask you to add some security question for security of the account. So I add some random security questions. Okay, I have added security questions. So now it asks to set up the privacy settings. So I turn off all these options for now and click X. And now it asks if you want to customize the operating system for some specific things or not. So for now I skip this step. So now it asks you to set up the Cortana, but I don't need it for now. So now setting up is finished. So let's wait some time until start the Windows. So now Windows is started and start working on. If I go to File Manager, it shows the options here. So that's what I wanted to show in this video. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I will get back to you. And if you want to know how to scale up this Windows OS when you are scaling up the window or switch to full screen, check out my next video on the channel. I will put the link in the description after I upload that video. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.